this video what the hemp is going on. We are going to make hemp. This is lime and hemp herds. So this is the insides of the hemp plant. See, looks like wood chips basically, right? So, and then in this bucket here we got 14 ounces of water for this test. We're gonna make a hemp block, Hempcrete block, which is, and I'm gonna use this box, simple box we can use here. It's a fairly simple mix we're gonna use. But here's a fun fact: Hempcrete, this mix, with Hempcrete mix, you can build a 1,500 square foot house with 2.5 acres of hemp herds. That's very interesting. Well, the instructions, it says you want to mix the lime first, because if you go the other way, starting with the hemp, this tends to absorb most of the water, which doesn't leave much room for the lime. So what you want to do first is mix the lime with it, and then what we're looking for is a nice texture, pretty much until we get like a nice pasty texture. See, it's hemp here. Throw that in. Interesting. So interesting. And I would love to build our homes out in Arizona, out of hemp. This would be awesome. So this is kind of why I'm like excited to make this mix here. Just to see. Now, as far as drying time, it's 4 to 6 days. Right now, we got some good weather outside, about 70 degrees. So I'm gonna leave this by the window. And yeah, curious to see how this mix goes. I know this is my first time doing this, but my guess is I probably would have used a little bit more lime. But, you know, practice makes perfect. So we'll see how this goes. The more you pack it, the more dense it'll be. It's kind of what you want to go for. If you kind of just fluff it out and don't pack it, then it dries up more airy, which will be good if you want to use it for insulation. That's what it's good for. But if you want it to be more durable, it can handle more pressure, then you want to pack it. You know, so it doesn't, I guess, breathe as much, not as much air going through it. So that's pretty much it. And we're gonna leave it by the window. We had a drying, and this is how it looks. The weight, I gotta say, feels about the same weight as a brick, but I would say another 2 days or so it'll dry up a bit more, and it should be a little bit lighter. But yeah, this is the Hempcrete brick. This is my first time making it, first of many to come. Again, I'm super excited to make this because this is actually what I intend to do on our lands, to build our homes out of Hempcrete.